Imagine a world where companies are no longer pressured to reveal their financial health every 3 months. This bold idea has been put forward by former President Donald Trump, who recently suggested that U.S. companies should switch from quarterly earnings reports to reporting just twice a year. But here's where it gets controversial. He even pointed out a striking comparison, saying, "Did you ever hear the statement that China has a 50 to 100-year view on management of a company, whereas we run our companies on a quarterly basis? Not good." Interestingly, while Trump criticizes the U.S. quarterly reporting system, China actually requires companies to report earnings every 3 months as well. On the other hand, many countries in Europe, including the UK, only mandate financial disclosures twice a year. The US adopted the quarterly reporting model back in 1970, making it a long-standing tradition in American corporate culture. This isn't the first time Trump has pushed for this change. He raised the issue during his first term in office too. The constant flood of financial data every 90 days is often seen as a major distraction for companies and their leaders. Critics argue that this relentless schedule encourages short-term thinking, forcing executives to focus on immediate results rather than long-term growth and innovation. Supporters of quarterly reporting, however, emphasize the importance of transparency. They believe that providing investors with frequent updates is essential for the proper functioning of financial markets, helping shareholders make informed decisions and keeping companies accountable. Netflix even stopped reporting quarterly subscriber numbers, calling them a distraction from more meaningful indicators of business performance. So what do you think? Would shifting to semi-annual earnings reports help companies focus on long-term success? Or would it reduce the transparency investors rely on? Could this change lead to better management strategies? Or might it create new challenges for market oversight? This debate touches on fundamental questions about how we measure and communicate business success. Share your thoughts and join the conversation. Do you agree with Trump's proposal, or do you see risks that outweigh the benefits?